Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Acura NSX versus Audi R8. We'll start by looking at their impressive performance. The Acura NSX boasts a sophisticated hybrid powertrain, combining a twin-turbo V6 engine with electric motors for a total of 600 horsepower. In contrast, the Audi R8 delivers raw power through its naturally aspirated V10 engine, capable of up to 602 horsepower. Both supercars offer exhilarating acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Next, let's explore the driving experience each car provides. The Acura NSX features an advanced integrated dynamics system, allowing drivers to select modes from quiet to track, tailoring the car's response. The Audi R8, on the other hand, is celebrated for its precise steering and a beautifully balanced chassis, offering a truly engaging feel. Both models benefit from sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, ensuring exceptional grip and stability in various driving conditions. Moving inside, let's compare the interiors and technology. The Acura NSX provides a comfortable and intuitive cabin with excellent outward visibility, designed to be an everyday supercar. The Audi R8 counters with a luxurious interior, featuring premium materials like Nappa leather and a driver-centric digital cockpit display. Both vehicles come equipped with modern infotainment systems and a range of convenience features, ensuring a refined and connected experience for both driver and passenger. Finally, let's consider the value and overall ownership experience. The Acura NSX stands out with its hybrid powertrain, offering a blend of high performance and surprising daily usability. The Audi R8, with its iconic naturally aspirated V10 engine, provides a more traditional, visceral supercar thrill. Both cars represent significant investments, typically starting well over $150,000. For those looking to enhance their daily routine, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.